that melasma that fades and then comes all back again. I've had melasma for over 10 years. I know the cycle. You see results, your skin's red, it's raw, it's stripped, it's overly sensitive, or it rebounds worse. That's why my melasma system does something completely different to what other pigmentation products do. First, we work to stabilize your skin. And this is the important bit, and this is the bit that everyone misses, and this is the bit that actually stops rebound. Then we introduce clinically proven ingredients that work with melasma. 1% for NBR. This is the ingredient that's been clinically proven to be stronger than hydroquinone. You'll see pigmentation fading in just 8 weeks, but without the skin stripping, without the irritation, without the flaking and all that kind of stuff. Tranexamic, kojic, azelaic, HPR, and a bioretinol that's actually been clinically proven to reduce melasma by 33%. These work together to fade your pigmentation over the next 8 weeks without triggering your melasma. No skin stripping, no 10-step routines, just the right ingredients at the right time. So if you're sick of packing on makeup just to leave the house, just to feel a little bit confident, sick of covering up your skin, you just want to be confident in clear, one color, even skin, tap the button below or hit the link in my bio, grab your melasma system at 30% off.